Number 1. 1986 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Brougham. Price, $2,500. Located, Riverton, Utah. If you love big, comfortable American cruisers, this 1986 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Brougham might catch your attention. Powered by a 305 V8 paired with an automatic transmission, this full-size sedan shows just 58,000 miles and still starts, runs, and drives reliably. The car comes with a clean title, a new battery, and a fresh set of tires, making it ready to hit the road. While the body shows some rust and previous repair work, the frame remains solid and much of the original trim and interior is still intact. Introduced as one of Chevrolet's flagship luxury sedans, the Caprice became known for its smooth ride and classic American comfort. Number 2. 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air Sedan. Price, $9,500. Located, Moroni, Utah. Here's a true piece of 1950s American automotive history. This 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air sedan is powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission and remains largely original. The car runs and drives well, with minimal rust and solid floors and rocker panels. Inside, the interior is reported to be in very good condition, while the exterior chrome trim still looks impressive. The car also rides on a fresh set of tires, making it ready for weekend cruises or local car shows. The 1956 Bel Air is one of the most recognizable classics from Chevrolet's golden era, celebrated for its iconic styling, bold chrome accents, and timeless collector appeal. Number 3. 1969 AMC Javelin. Price, $4,900. Located, Phoenix, Arizona. Muscle car fans might want to take a closer look at this 1969 AMC Javelin. This classic American coupe is powered by a 3.8-liter inline-six engine paired with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car runs and drives and comes with a clean title. Even better, the frame, floor pans, and trunk are reported to be rust-free, which is always a huge plus for a project car. The Javelin was AMC's answer to the muscle car wars of the late 1960s, competing with icons like the Mustang and Camaro. Whether restored to original condition or modified into a custom build, this car offers a great starting point. Number 4. 1955 Dodge Lancer. Price, $7,500. Located, Tucson, Arizona. Step back into the mid-1950s with this stylish 1955 Dodge Lancer. This classic American sedan runs and drives and comes with a clean title, making it a solid candidate for weekend cruising. It features an automatic transmission and reportedly has around 50,000 miles on the odometer. The interior has already been redone by a previous owner and is said to be in great condition, while the car recently received a tune-up and maintenance service. The Dodge Lancer represented Chrysler's push toward bold styling during the 1950s, featuring sweeping lines and distinctive chrome accents. For collectors who appreciate vintage design, this car could be a very appealing classic. Number 5. 1970 Subaru 360. Price, $2,000. Located, Pico Rivera, California. This tiny classic brings big personality. Up for sale is a 1970 Subaru 360, one of the most unique microcars ever imported to the United States. The car runs and stops but is considered a project vehicle rather than a daily driver. Several components have already been serviced, including a rebuilt carburetor, new brake components, and fresh brake lines. However, it will need attention, including a replacement fuel tank and some rust repair. Known as the Ladybug because of its rounded shape, the Subaru 360 helped introduce Japanese cars to the American market in the late 1960s. For collectors of unusual classics, this little car has tons of charm. Number 6. 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass Brougham. Price, $2,500. Located, Los Angeles, California. Next up is a classic late 70s cruiser, the 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass Brougham. Under the hood sits a 305 V8 engine, and while the car is mostly complete and fairly original, it currently needs engine work due to a bad camshaft. This makes it a solid project for someone looking to bring a classic back to life. The car comes with a clean title and all paperwork in hand, and it even includes a set of 20-inch IROC wheels. The Cutlass was one of the best-selling cars in America during the late 1970s, known for its smooth ride and stylish luxury. With some work, this could easily become a standout classic again. Number 7. 1979 Chevrolet El Camino. Price, $2,400. Located, Compton, California. If you like classics that combine a car and a truck in one package, this 1979 Chevrolet El Camino might be the perfect fit. According to the seller, it runs and drives smoothly and starts right up with no major issues or leaks. The engine has reportedly been rebuilt, and the car also features a new alternator and a fairly clean interior. With its bold black exterior and matching interior, it definitely has the look of a street cruiser. The El Camino has always been a unique part of Chevrolet history, blending muscle car styling with pickup truck practicality. For under $2,500, this one could be a fun and affordable classic to own. Number 8. 1976 Lincoln Continental Mark IV. Price, $2,500. Located, Payson, Utah. Luxury from the golden age of American land yachts comes in the form of this 1976 Lincoln Continental Mark IV. Powered by a massive 460 cubic inch V8 engine and upgraded with a Phytec fuel injection kit. This big coupe reportedly runs and drives well. The car comes with a clean title and only needs a few minor fixes according to the seller. Known for its long hood, hidden headlights, and signature Continental styling, the Mark IV represented the peak of 1970s American luxury. These cars were built for comfort, smooth cruising, and commanding presence on the road. For someone who loves big classic luxury cars, this could be a very interesting deal. Number 9. 1966 Cadillac DeVille Sedan. Price, $3,500. Located, Blanchard, Oklahoma. Here's a true symbol of classic American luxury. The 1966 Cadillac DeVille Sedan. This full-size Cadillac is said to be all original and was running before being parked due to a failed U-joint that led to the driveshaft being removed. Aside from that missing driveshaft, the car is reportedly complete and comes with a potential replacement source available. Known for its massive size, elegant lines, and smooth V8 power, the 1966 DeVille represents the peak of Cadillac's luxury era. With its distinctive styling and comfortable ride, these cars were once the ultimate status symbol on American roads. With a little mechanical work, this one could be back cruising again. Number 10. 1987 Chevrolet C30 Pickup. Price, $5,000. Located, Fresh Meadows, New York. Last but not least is a tough classic workhorse, the 1987 Chevrolet C30 two-wheel drive pickup. This heavy-duty truck is powered by a 5.7-liter 350 V8 engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission, a combination known for durability and strength. Trucks like the C30 were built to handle serious work while still delivering classic square-body styling that collectors love today. According to the seller, the truck is in good condition and the title has been ordered. These square-body Chevrolet trucks have been gaining popularity among classic truck enthusiasts in recent years. Whether used as a project, shop truck, or classic cruiser, this C30 has plenty of potential. Number 11. 1960 Chevrolet Apache Pickup. Price, $7,800. Located, Fayetteville, Tennessee. Classic truck fans might appreciate this 1960 Chevrolet Apache pickup. Powered by a 283 V8 paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, this vintage workhorse reportedly runs and drives well. The truck features new bumpers and taillights, solid floor pans, and the original wood bed still intact beneath the sheet metal. While the interior shows its age and some bodywork could still be done, the overall structure is said to be solid. A 1962 hood has been installed, adding a slightly different look. The Apache series helped define Chevrolet's early pickup legacy, and trucks like this are becoming increasingly popular among classic truck enthusiasts. Number 12. 1964 Plymouth Valiant Signet 200. Price, $6,000. Located, Leavenworth, Kansas. Here's a compact classic with serious performance potential. This 1964 Plymouth Valiant Signet 200 has been upgraded with a powerful 340 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 4.11 short-track rear end. The car runs and drives and features a sleek black exterior matched with a black interior, giving it a true vintage muscle look. Originally introduced as a compact economy car, the Valiant gained popularity thanks to its durability and lightweight design. With the added V8 power, this one becomes something entirely different, a unique vintage hot rod. For enthusiasts looking for a classic Mopar with attitude, this Valiant could be a fun and distinctive ride. Number 13. 1978 Ford Bronco Ranger XLT. Price $9,000. Located Clarksburg, West Virginia. Next up is a true off-road classic, the 1978 Ford Bronco Ranger XLT. This full-size SUV is equipped with a 351M V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission and a capable 4x4 drivetrain. According to the seller, the Bronco runs and drives but still needs a few things to be fully sorted out. Finished in white with a blue interior, it carries that rugged late 70s styling that has made these Broncos increasingly collectible. The 1978 model was part of the first generation of full-size Broncos based on the Ford pickup platform, giving it impressive strength and off-road capability. Number 14. 1973 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ. Price $5,500. Located Endeavor, Wisconsin. This 1973 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ is an interesting project with some rare factory options. The car currently does not have an engine or transmission, but the body is reported to be very solid and it comes with a clean title. It was originally equipped with a 455 engine and features several luxury options including a power sunroof, cornering lights, automatic leveling suspension, cruise control, power windows, power locks, and a tilt steering wheel. The interior needs significant work, but the bones of the car are still there. The Grand Prix SJ represented Pontiac's high-performance luxury coupe during the early 1970s muscle car era. Number 15. 1980 Ford E350 Super Duty Wagon. Price $600. Located Edgewood, New Mexico. If you're looking for a budget project with plenty of space, this 1980 Ford E350 Super Duty passenger wagon might be worth a look. Powered by a massive 7.5-liter engine, this heavy-duty van reportedly ran when it was parked about 6 years ago. The odometer shows just over 40,000 miles, though its current running condition will likely require some work to get it back on the road. Unfortunately, it does not come with a title, but it does include the key. These large Ford vans were built tough and often used for commercial or family transport, making them a unique and interesting vintage project today. Number 16. 1975 Dodge D150 Long Bed Pickup. Price $500. Located Millersville, Missouri. Here's a rough but potentially useful classic truck project. This 1975 Dodge D150 Long Bed Pickup is being sold mainly as a parts truck and does not come with a title. It's equipped with a 318 V8 engine, although the carburetor is currently missing and the truck does not run properly. The body shows significant rust, particularly in the floorboards, but the cab and bed are reportedly in somewhat better condition. Trucks like these were once everyday workhorses across America. For someone restoring another classic Dodge truck or looking for spare parts, this inexpensive project could still have some value. Number 17. 1971 Chevrolet Impala Sedan. Price $7,500. Located Columbus, Ohio. Full-size American classics don't get much more iconic than the 1971 Chevrolet Impala. This sedan is powered by a 350 V8 engine and reportedly runs and drives, though it still needs a few repairs including suspension bushings and a trunk pan replacement. The car also needs a grille installed, though the bumper is included. With its long body lines and classic early 70s styling, the Impala remains one of Chevrolet's most recognizable full-size models. These cars were known for comfort, smooth cruising, and strong V8 performance. With some finishing touches, This one could easily return to the road as a stylish vintage cruiser. Number 18. 1974 Dodge D250 Pickup. Price, $500. Located, Batesburg, Leesville, South Carolina. For someone looking for an affordable vintage truck project, this 1974 Dodge D250 might be worth considering. The truck is equipped with a durable slant-six engine and a 4-speed manual transmission with two-wheel drive. According to the seller, the body is in decent condition overall. Trucks like this were built during an era when durability and simplicity were key, making them relatively straightforward to repair or restore. While it may need some work, the classic Dodge pickup design and rugged mechanical setup make it a solid candidate for a budget project or parts vehicle. Number 19. 1972 Plymouth Valiant. Price, $4,500. Located, Macon, Georgia. Here's a classic Mopar project with some serious potential. This 1972 Plymouth Valiant is being sold as a roller, meaning it currently has no engine or transmission installed. However, the body is reported to be very solid with fresh paint and minimal rust on the frame. The sale also includes a standard bore 1967 440 big block engine block along with several accessories and components. The seller originally planned a big block swap but decided to move on to other projects. For someone looking to build a custom muscle car or sleeper build, this Valiant could be a great starting platform. Number 20. 1975 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Coupe. Price, $5,000. Located, Mt. Pleasant, Pennsylvania. Last on the list is a stylish mid-70s classic, the 1975 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Powered by a 350 V8 engine and automatic transmission, this coupe reportedly runs and drives and even carries an antique license plate. The car features a tan exterior paired with a matching tan interior, giving it that classic personal luxury look popular during the 1970s. The Cutlass line became one of the best-selling nameplates in America during this era, known for combining comfort, performance, and distinctive styling. Whether kept original or turned into a custom cruiser, this Cutlass Supreme offers plenty of classic American character.